do you think it's a special day on Fairy Island today? Wow.
RTÉjr, you're here. Can you help us? We're running very late.
Late for what, Kuan?
Today is Beltane, and we're throwing a huge party. But we haven't finished decorating, and the Théla is about to start.
We love parties. Of course we'll help. But what is Bealtaine?
Can you decorate the crown with ribbons? Oh, and pick some more wild blóhanna. Oh, and don't forget to collect the morning dew droplets from the meadow.
Eros. But what is Bealtaine?
Oh, Gurumila Mahagi. We'll be right back with more fireflies.
Any idea what Bealtaine is?
Your guess is as good as mine, but how should we help get ready?
We can figure this out, Ameer. It's RTÉjr. Now, Bealtaine told us to decorate the crown with ribbons.
We could try wrapping them around the trunk. Too short.
I know. What if we decorate it like a Christmas tree? We could tie the ribbons around the branches?
It's worth a try.
Come on, time to get the flowers and dew droplets from the meadow.
Eraglin! I wonder what they use the dewdrops for.
Maybe they drink it? But there's not enough for everyone to have some.
Wait a minute. I think the water could be for washing. Just like I do with my dad when we go to the mosque. Like this.
Bealtaine chuna, RTÉjr. Go hiantach. Slangafo.
You were right, Ameer. Maybe Bealtaine isn't all that different from our Fela back home. Huh?
Achoo! Only there's never any grass in the water at the mosque.
And finally, we need to pick more blóhanna.
I wonder what we do with them.
Well, I can think of one thing every good Fela needs. Why don't we use these flowers to make some presents for everyone?
Ooh, good idea.
What's a RTÉjr?
Wow, look at that amber.
Beltane is a summer festival, so we use this magic omra to welcome the warm summer sun.
Beautiful, just like lanterns at our Eid festival.
Yes, or like fairy lights on our Christmas tree. Which reminds me, we brought you some presents.